Edo State Police Command don tok say late Mrs. Toluige Babalola commit suicide as she tie herself with rope join fan with suicide note. Mrs. Olokoobi na di mama of Oreofeoluwa Lawal Babalola, the little boy wey e video go viral wey e dey beg im mama with "Mommy be calming down" for 2020. Edo State Police Public Relations Officer SP Chidi Nwabuzo kon tok say Mrs. Olokoobi commit suicide for Joromi Street, Ekenwa Road, Benin City, and say she leave behind her 3 children, including Oreofeoluwa Lawal Babalola, aka Mommy be calming down, and her husband. Nwabuzo kon still tok say her husband report the matter to a Votubu police station sake of say her husband say he come house from market when he see im wife hang herself with rope for neck and then rush her go hospital where the doctor confirm say she don die. He tok say Edo State Commissioner of Police Muhammad Adamu Dankwara don ask dem to transfer the case to Edo State Police Headquarters so that they go do more investigation for the matter.
On the 8th of November 2023 at about 17:45 hours, the divisional police officer in charge of Olokoobi Division, Benin City, Edo State, received a complaint from one Lawal Babalola, age 41 years old, of number 89 Garrick Layout off Joromi Road, Benin City, Edo State, that he returned from the market. He met his 2-year-old child by name Ife Lawal crying outside. Immediately he burst the door mosquito net open and met the wife hung herself on a rope. Immediately he raised alarm, according to him, and neighbors came. They untied her, took her to the hospital, where the doctor at the hospital there confirmed her death. The name of the hospital is Due Hospital in Benin City here, and the body deposited at the mortuary. Thereafter these activities, he now moved down to the Olokoobi police station to give himself up and report to the police. The police took it from there. That is, the divisional police officer and his men took it up from there, visited the scene of crime, where they met rope and suicide note dropped by the deceased, according to them. Those 2 items were recovered. From there, they moved to mortuary. The DPO said categorically, when I questioned him, that he checked the body, meaning he examined the body of the deceased, and he was searching for mark of violence, and there was none. The matter has since been transferred to the State Criminal Investigation Department of Edo State Police Command on the instruction of the Commissioner of Police Edo State, CP Mohammed Adamu Dankwara, asking for more investigation, more probe into that. So the matter was transferred by the divisional police officer in charge of the Olokoobi Division for further investigation.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.